Hello my friends, nice to meet you. Today we are going to see how to make steak with shallot sauce. It's absolutely delicious. We quickly go to the kitchen to prepare this. Here's what we need for our shallot steak. Let's start by peeling and cutting into small cubes 2 beautiful shallots. Cook the steaks. Meanwhile, mix the spoonful of veal stock with the water. Remove the meat when cooked to your liking. Then pour the oil while remaining on low heat. Add the shallots and cook them gently over low heat for just 1 minute. Pour in the red wine and let it reduce by a good half. Then pour in the veal stock and cook for a few seconds. It will thicken. We then withdraw from the heat. Add the butter. It is incorporated perfectly into the sauce. For that, you stir until it has not completely disappeared. All you have to do is cut your steak and enjoy. It's absolutely delicious. I wish you a good appetite, my friends, and see you very soon for a new recipe. Au revoir mes amis et à très bientôt pour une prochaine recette en vidéo. Ciao ciao.